So guys, I'm not gonna show you what I drew today. So I'm in the Philippines right now. Look, the Headless family, I guess. This is Zach, and this is Jay, and this is Justina, and this is JP, and this is Jake. There's another family like this. This is Ron, 9 years old. This is Mia, and this is Carl. This is Carl. Carl. So I want you to see my. Can I speak Tagalog? Okay. Gusto ko makita nyo ang mga gamit ko. Ito muna, syempre. This is my hairband. I love this so much. Like I use this every if my birthday, it's somebody's birthday, I wear this. And they're saying, why are you wearing that for years? I don't di ko sila pinapansin kasi because this is what I want. I don't care about them. Okay, let's get my favorite food. Okay, sure. This is my favorite because it's in the two. I don't want to see it green. Let's drink it right now. This is my ice, guys. I'm bugging in my eyes. I don't know why. Now let's drink it. I really want this so much. So let's keep it now. And let's play Fortnite. So okay. Let's see what is this right now. So yun lang guys. So sana magustuhan ko ang aking desk. Desk ko to guys eh. Desk ko po ito. Anong tayo na to? Sarap guys. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.